Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Kaspa, which, of course, I could not forget about Kaspa. It's been super bullish. I mean, it's been on my radar as well. I actually sent in the premium group. I actually sent a setup, an analysis when Kaspa broke above its last all-time high. So Kaspa had built up this resistance around 5.2, 5.3. So when it broke above that on Saturday, I sent an analysis with the potential of going up to 6 and 6.2 cents. If you still remember my videos, which I made a couple of times, like right here in October and in September, you still remember that was the main area I was targeting for a new all-time high. So it took a little bit longer, but we got there. And to be fair, we got even higher. Kaspa reached this next price target between 6.8 and 7 cents, and that has ever since been the main resistance level. So I just wanted to do a video on that, talk about what's going on with Kaspa, why it's so bullish, etc., etc. I think it's actually quite logical why it's bullish. I think everybody that watches these videos has their own opinion on that. But Kaspa, first of all, and I think the most important part about Kaspa is that it has a huge and amazing community, and that community is growing, right? If you like, Kaspa used to be a coin that had a relatively high market cap, but the volume was never that high. Like you can see that over the last year, yeah, sure, it touched 50 million sometimes, and it touched like 60 million here. But that was throughout the last year. That was only twice, all right, when it hit the all-time highs. And now we're seeing that the volume is also again very high, around 72 million. So that's a volume all-time high. But it's also like the volume, the floor has been raised a bit. So that's super bullish as well, all right? That shows that the community is growing, that more people are trading Kaspa, that it gains a little bit of recognition. Now, having said that, I do think that if we talk about Kaspa technically, I do think it has met its match, all right? Ultimately, like the next price target, I would say it's a big area, I know, but ultimately I would say 7.5, 7.8 would be the next price target for an all-time high. But for now, and you might not like me for this, but for now I am going to tell you that I do think that 7 cents area is going to be the resistance for some time, which is a risky thing to say because Bitcoin is still pretty strong. And if Bitcoin gets a bullish breakout, if Bitcoin shows a lot of bullish momentum, then the chance that Kaspa at some point of time breaks above 7 cents and rallies up to 7.5 and 7.8 is just quite high. So I think eventually this is definitely like it's the question if this will happen is not if, but it's when. Could still take some time, could also be today, right? That's just the truth of it. That's crypto. But if you take a look at like the open interest over the last day, you can see that has been ranging for a bit. So that shows that Kaspa is losing some momentum. Like it gained a huge amount of momentum throughout the 3rd and the 4th of November, right? So when it got those bullish breakouts, it showed a lot of momentum. It even got another breakout the 5th of November, yesterday. But now it seems to be stalling a bit. And I do expect that to hold. Now, what's a possibility is that Kaspa will shoot up to 7 cents. That hasn't been touched yet. Well, that's a strong resistance level, so that's a possibility. And like I said, it's also a possibility that Kaspa breaks above that and rallies higher. It's just not what I expect at this moment. I think it's more likely that Kaspa will consolidate here in this range between, let's say, 6 and 7 cents. And then if Kaspa is able to hold that consolidation and then show some more momentum in terms of that the open interest starts growing again, and Bitcoin is still bullish, then it will still get that bullish breakout later. But I think a consolidation and a little bit of ranging right now is also healthy for the price. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Lastly, I also want to tell you, if you want more value from Cilinix Crypto, it's possible. I have my own premium group. I have my own signals group, where in the premium group you get a lot of different values from trading setups, my trading guide, weekly exclusive videos, things like that. And then in the signals group, well, I think that speaks for itself. You just get all of my trades, which are profitable. All of the results are transparent and open, so you can check that out if you want to. But that's for if you want more value. This was my take on Kaspa. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.